Honey roasted nuts are one of our favourite snacks. They're so addictive we just had to make our own. Here's our recipe.
We'll start by adding our almonds into a large bowl and then drizzle on our honey.
Mix in the honey thoroughly so all of the almonds are nicely coated.
To enhance the flavours and balance out the sweetness from the honey, we add a generous pinch of sea salt.
Once that's nice and mixed through, you want to place the nuts in the air fryer basket. We've lined ours with a silicone mat. You can also use baking parchment and this really helps with the clearing up.
Air fry for 3 to 5 minutes and make sure you mix around halfway through. If you don't have an air fryer, then you can always use the oven.
Once they're done, take them out of the air fryer, and personally we like to add some extra salt at this stage.
Leave them to cool for at least an hour and then you can store them in an airtight container for whenever you want to munch away.